Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're gonna fold the Pentaflanger by Ed Sullivan. Tutorial presented to you by Wilson Lee. Today's tutorial is a special tutorial. A few weeks ago I asked, what would you guys like to learn? And I finally got a reply. One of my subscribers asked for a frisbee or a flicker. Today's tutorial is a frisbee. Not only is it a frisbee, it's also classified as a modular origami. It's made of 5 identical modular pieces. The original model asked for a 2x3 rectangular sheet, and with that 2x3 rectangular sheet you would fold the perfect proportion for the individual modules. As I want to fold the individual module out of a square paper, I'm currently folding that square paper into a 2x3 rectangle. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post 3 times a week. Every Sunday, like today, I'm posting a special video that's either going to be a vlog or a more complicated origami model. Every Tuesdays, I'm going to be posting a new paper airplane that's part of my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge, where I try to find 100 exotic paper airplanes and show you how to fold them. Every Fridays, I'm going to be showing you how to fold a new paper origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be posting something new every single week. Now, back to the model. Here we have the 2x3 rectangular sheet. If you are willing to use a pair of scissors, you can jump straight to this section of the tutorial. Today, we're learning how to fold my first model request from a subscriber. It's the Pentaflanger, designed by Ed Sullivan. As you may see, it's a pentagon-shaped frisbee. Remember, you'll need to make 5 modules, and now we're going to assemble those 5 modules together into a pentagon. if you have an extra few minutes, please remember to check out the 2 videos that's going to pop up on the screen. I'm pretty sure you're going to like them. If you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be posting more videos like this every single week. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.